beat of the drums and calling us near. This is the echo of fate we hold so dear. Through every step we celebrate our joyous songs across the land. Bato balani sa gugma, O Santo Niño, naghatagkaw kalinaw. Throughout the world our faith will rise. We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world, hey, it's Sinulog. Come on, let's celebrate, hey, Sinulog. For the peace of the world, unite as one. It's we'll raise our hands, we'll raise our voice, we'll raise our crowd, pure love and devotion. So let us gather, dance with faith, through every steps we celebrate. One world, one beat, one dance. Let's join our hands together.
Positions number 1.
There's hope and love to everyone.
Fatima Cultural Dance Troupe.
We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world, hey, it's Sinulog. Come on, let's celebrate, hey, Sinulog. For the peace of the world, unite
Positions
as
number
one.
2. Tribo Panakiusa. Transition number 3. Silaw Cultural Dance Troupe of Poblacion 1. And let's have Tagon National High School.
Everybody shout! We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the
We have Banay Valenciahanon.
celebrate Sinulog. For the peace of the world, unite as one.
Let's have Valencia National Vocational High School.
We're gonna shout to the world, hey, it's Sinulog. Come on, let's celebrate, hey, Sinulog. For the peace of the world,
And Bundok sa Kabataanunang Mananagat sa Lukinsan.
We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world, hey, it's Sinulog. Come on, let's celebrate, hey, Sinulog. For the peace of the world, unite as one. It's
Senyor!
We'll raise our hands, we'll raise our voice, we'll raise our crowd, pure love and devotion. So let us go.
Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Before we are going to announce our winners for tonight's Sinulog Amakan 2025, allow me to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Board of Adjudicators, Sir Donald, thank you so much, Sir Guarin, and Sir Oliver Figueroa. Sa dili pa madugay ato ng no? I-proclaim atong winners o giawag na ko ang tanan sa pagpaabot sa ato ang fireworks. Natay fireworks. So at this juncture, I would like to call in the Chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Donald, and Sir Oliver Figueroa. Okay. Let's have our firework first before the proclamation of winners. Let's count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Viva! Viva! Senyor! Asa man sumray? Nawa? Asa na may ay? Our fireworks display 2025 here in Barangay Valencia. At this juncture, I would like to call in our SK Chairman, Honorable Arjun Satungkakal, along with his SK members, and of course the presence of our Barangay Captain Joe Quijano with his barangay officials in order them to hand in the certificate of our winners, along with our Board of Adjudicators. Are you now ready to know the result for this year's Sinulog Amakan 2025? We ready na tanan? Okay, that's the spirit. Oh, please stay at the center. Chairman. Microphone, please. And now I would like to request the chairman of the Board of Judges. We have Sir Guarin. Okay, let's begin with the minor award to be announced by Sir Donald J. Villahermosa.
Okay, so karon ato ng sugdan o kinsa ka ang mananaog sa ato ang minor awards, starting with Best in Musicality. Best in Musicality goes to Valencia National Vocational High School.
I would like to request the teachers along with their school head or principal to receive the prize. Once again, our best in musicality is from Valencia Vocational National High School.
Okay, ang ikaduha mao ang Best in Costume. Ug ang mananaog mao ang Valencia Vocational National High School.
Okay, once again, our best in costume goes to Valencia Vocational National High School.
Karon, kanya nakita sa atong mananaog sa street dancing. Hindi siya minor, major kaya po di siya competition actually. Kay lisod pagsayaw sa daan. Let's start with our second runner-up for street dancing competition goes to Patay, Marisha Hanon. Second runner-up.
Our second runner-up for the best in street dancing is from Banay Valenciahanon, contingent number 5.
And our first runner-up, congratulations to Valencia National Vocational High School.
Our first runner-up for the street dancing competition, we have from Valencia National Vocational High School. That's contingent number 6.
O karon, ang pinakanindot o pinakalikod na grupo na nakadawat o nakakuha sa street dancing. Walay lain gikan sa Bantugan, Odo, Ilaw, Sponsor and Arm.
And our grand champion for the street dancing competition is from Bantugang Uno, Silaw Cultural Dance Troupe. Choreographer, Madam Courtney Sibian. Okay, so this time we are going to proclaim the winners. But before that, allow me to acknowledge our Jinky Boys production. Our sponsors, we have Sir Ray Anthony Lawas, Sir Cedro Alberta, our SK members and barangay councilors. Thank you so much.
Sige, sa dili pa ta mag-announce sa top 3 atong tagagbasipang pakbakbita ng performers kay buyag-buyag, naglabad among ulo gamay. Na ay mga performances nga pang top 3 unta pero unsaon ta man top 3 ra man gyud may kuhaon. Top 3 lang yun atong i-announce. So, medyo sikit actually ang kuan. Pag-tabulate na mo, agoy, murag bet punta niya. Sayang, wala gyud kalusot. And congratulations to Barangay Valencia. Murag barangay lang niya nga pistaha, pero na-stage, na-lead wall, na-license sa hilas. Ganahan kong mahiyo na aning events. Sige, now, let's announce our top 3 for the Ritual Showdown competition. Second runner-up or third place is Bantugan Uno, Silaw Culture and Arts. Congratulations.
Our second place for the Ritual Showdown goes to Bantugang Uno, Silaw Cultural and Arts.
And now, our first runner-up or second place. Our first runner-up is
goes to Talos National High School.
Congratulations once again. And now, our grand champion or our first place for Sinulog Amakan Festival 2025 is our grand champion is Valencia National Vocational High School. Congratulations.
Once again, our grand champion for Sinulog Amakan Festival 2025 is from Valencia National Vocational High School. Choreographer, Hannah Maliko Pampalangana. Okay, medics, if ever natin medics, tinira ko yung pants sa luyo. Okay, let's have a total opportunity with our winners. To our non-winners, congratulations because you have done a great job tonight. Let's have your host, Mr. Delicious and Gayanes. Thank you and see you around. Viva Pinsignor! Okay, giawag na ko talang performers nga manayaw sa Sinulog tradisyon. Giawag